Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate two important functions, subtotal and aggregate. And I thank you all for watching my videos. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe for more videos like this. So let's get started. I have a data set here which shows product name and sales. And I want to get a subtotal for these products, subtotal for this, subtotal for this, and then overall total. So of course you can use the normal way, normal functions where you sum that, but I want to show you a different way of using what we call subtotal. So you type there subtotal. Now it shows you a list of items that can be accomplished by this function of subtotal. You can get the average, you can get the count, maximum, product, and the rest. You can also get the sum. It's quite a number of them here, as you see here. So let's try the count. Now the count is 2. You see these numbers: 1, average, 2, count, 3, count A, 4, maximum. So count is 2. So we type 2. Then comma, the function number is 2. Then comma, what are we counting? Close brackets, enter. So as you can see, we have got 3, which is the count of this. If I go back here and change this number to maybe maximum, which is 4, hit enter, it tells me the maximum of these is 855,891, which is correct. So you can also get the minimum, which is this, double click on that, enter, and the minimum of these figures is this. So in other words, with this subtotal function, it is very rich in the sense that you can get average, count, minimum, product. You can also get the product of these numbers. And there are quite a number of things that you can achieve. So in this case, I want the sum. So I'll click on type 9, which is my sum. Click enter, and this is the sum of this. So this is the subtotal, which is the sum of that. I come here, I do the same, I say subtotal. I also want the sum, which is 9. Then what am I summing up? Is this information here, like so. Come here, say subtotal again. What am I summing up? Pick 9, comma, summing up that. There you go. So after getting this sum, in most cases, you want to also get the overall total. So I'm going to use the aggregate function for this purpose. I know you can use the normal way, but I'm showing you the aggregate function. So the aggregate function, of course, you can do the average just like the other one, but now I want the sum. I pick 9, which is for sum. Look at this. Now ignore nested subtotals and aggregate functions. So I'm getting the overall total. But as I get the overall total, I don't want this total to include the subtotals, because if it includes the subtotals, then I'm going to get double the figure. So this is a common error or challenge that you face. So what you do, ignore subtotals. It is telling me the function number is 0. So I enter 0, comma. Now, after that, I can select the range, which is all these, including my subtotal. But remember, I've told it 0, ignore the subtotals, and press enter. So there you go. So the total of this is this. You can confirm that Like here, equal sign sum. If I get the sum of this subtotal, this and this here, I come to the same figure. So the aggregate function helps you to ignore what you don't want to add. It's very useful if you're preparing budgets with so many figures and you want to add up some figures, ignore others. If you use the sum function, you'll have to go through slowly one by one, picking what to sum. But if you have you're using the aggregate function, you just use, say, ignore the subtotals and you get the right total. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you have not, and have a great day. See you again.